Right, everyone. It's only me and David out today. I hope you like this video. Please help us get the 2k subs. We're about 400 off. I know there's a lot to ask, but yeah, please hit that sub button, share your friends, tag us and everything. I mean, and the 2,000 subs, we will be doing a giveaway. And the next video will be like you don't know if it's hopefully in the following one, and it'll be camping, while camping. But yeah, please hit that sub. Spike, like a socket or something. Oh, Ollie. Where's David? Ah, 2 pennies. Got that. 2 pennies again. AAA battery. Right guys, this video is sponsored by Dave's store. Go and check him out. David will put a link in the description. I know there's going to be a lot of links in this description. But yeah, and this video was a giveaway video. Some lucky winner will be able to win one of them or a baseball cap. Please comment on this video and say shared, and tell us where you shared it to. And yeah, thanks for watching. Happy New Year to everyone. Big shout out to Lee Cats, Magneteers North. If anyone would like to meet us, like we meet halfway. I don't mind travelling, so give me a PM or David a PM or Wayne a PM and we come and meet you. Big shout out to Kratos Magnetics. The link will be like down in the description. We both using the Titan today. Yeah. Also Magnets, you use our discount code Welsh, you get 12% off. Got this metal pole or something. Don't know what it is. A tape measure. Rolson. Right. That's where we are guys today. Awesome spot. Big shout out to our old buddies. Got Chunk, Rob and Stephen. Go and check their TikTok page out. It's the Magneteers. They're an awesome bunch of guys. So yeah, go and check them out. Give them a follow, share their videos, and then join their Facebook page. So there they go, some videos on TikTok, pictures, awesome find they found last week. Go and check that one out. Yeah. David found that with that attached to it. You see it? That goes in there like that. I don't know if it's like a ammunition round carrier. I don't know. It looks like one. Good find. Obviously this was magnetic. This is magnetic, but this wasn't. Look. The brass. Yeah. It's all empty inside. Nothing in it. Oh yeah. Good find. It's nice when you catch something on camera. Bike wheel. See, it ain't gonna work again. David's on something. David's on the ground. Come on, David, pull it gently. Can I help you? I'm going to say I ain't going to fit in the towel, man.